Oh, hi there. I'm just writing a .NET MAUI app. You know what, I think you guys should get stuck in on this right now. I've written a book, .NET MAUI in Action. It's available for you to buy right now. The print copies will ship soon, but if you buy it now, you get full access online, plus you can download it in any DRM-free format of your choice. This book will teach you to build cross-platform iOS, Android, Windows, macOS applications. It teaches you how to incorporate them as part of your full-stack .NET Enterprise solution. Distribution with GitHub Actions, everything. But best of all, it's going to equip you with the tools you need to teach yourself and be self-sufficient for anything that isn't covered in the book. What are you waiting for? Get stuck in, start building your .NET MAUI apps today.